Okay, so I have restarted the internet over here. Okay, let me just drop a link on my Discord channel that we are online. Okay. Okay, so now we are good. And yes, so basically let's move to the 4 hour. I think we have, yeah, so this is the 4 hour over here. I think it will be moving down. So if we look at the 1 hour time frame, then what the 1 hour time frame is doing, let's just tell us a story about the 1 hour. Now basically the market was moving down, so basically market was consolidating in this area, right? So this becomes a strong level of resistance over here. So I'm gonna mark this resistance, and so this is the area of resistance for me, right? So what market did is, so there was a support as well. Okay, if there is resistance, there should be a support. So this was the support area, right? So now, right now, 6 minutes left for the 1 hour candle to close, and it's trying to go back inside the range, right? So it's trying to go back inside and close inside this range again. So if that happens, that means it might consolidate for a while again. But if it just closes back inside, then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for the market to go below this area, because below this area we have a clean range of this candle over here. So if we measure out this range is about 70 pips, 69 pips, something like that. And above this area, so above this area we have clean candles over here as well, so market can go up from here, right? Obviously I have to look for these wicks over here because market can reject these wicks. So I'll look into that, but later. So once we need to get out of 154.811 or 154.176. Yes. So let's see what happens. So I'm gonna go to the 30 minutes. So basically the time frames for me are bearish, right? So even though if the market tries to move up, that may be a temporary move. So I'm gonna look at the 4 hour candles over here, because 4 hour candles will tell us a strong story about the candles, right? So right now the market just went up, and I'll try to figure out where I can basically trade GBP JPY. So if we are looking for buys, then I'm gonna look for buys above this area. So I'm gonna wait for the market to go above 154.915, because we have this clean range, huge clean range over here, and it can easily go up to this level. So if I measure out this range, then this range is about like 54 pips. The range is extremely good, no doubts in that. And as far as the cells are concerned, I'm gonna look for cells below this area. Okay, because we have this clean range to go. First of all, I'm gonna look for the market to go to fill the wicks, like this wick. The nearest wick is just huge clean candle to go. So I don't think that range will be a problem today, because the range is pretty good. So let's see what happens. Like 4 minutes left for the 1 hour candle to close as well. So nothing right now. It's just that nothing right now. We just need to wait. So if we look at GBP USD, let's have a look over here as well. So if we look at the monthly first, Then same scenario like GBP/JPY, monthly is moving down, filled the wick of the previous month. Also in GBP/USD, the current month candle just broke below the low of the previous month as well, and right now it's rejecting this support area from the left, and it's rejected that area. So basically, what can also happen is it will come down to fill its own wick, and might just end up over here. So I'm gonna mark the support area over here in the monthly. I'm gonna mark the resistance over here as well. So basically this is a range in the month, and I think the monthly candle will be going down to tab 1.32869 area again. So if I look at the weekly from the monthly, then weekly looks quite interesting because it's right now it's moving at a strong support level over here, and it's now getting inside the range again. So basically it's getting inside the range again. So if there will be bearish volume in the market, and I think there will be, so if that will be the case, then it will be moving down again. So today is last day of the week. So now today, Friday, is really important over here because today can take the market all the way up, leaving a huge wick to the bottom side, or today the Friday can take the market all the way down, filling its own wick over here and finally tap this area. So now these two things can happen. So how can we know which of the one thing will be happening over here? So we can know those things by switching the time frames, right? So right now monthly looks really confusing. We don't know whether it will be going down, we don't know whether it will be going up. So I have to look at the 4 hour, oh sorry, I have to look in the daily over here as well. Okay, so now daily is telling us a different story. So daily is telling us that okay, I was moving up, but I'm now rejecting the higher prices. Now maybe I'll move down, breaking my own low, and fill the wick of the yesterday's candle. So that can be the case. So if that can be the case, that means the GBP/JPY is totally bearish for me. And yes, I think GBP/JPY will be a bearish thing over here. So let's go to the weekly. Perfect. So this is the daily. So basically the yesterday's daily candle closed below all these wicks over here, all these movements over here, and now the current daily candle can go all the way down to fill the wick over here. So if that will be the case, then I think we will be soon seeing at 1.32 area. So yes, for me GU is bearish. So now let's talk about the 4 hour over here as well. So basically 4 hour created a resistance over here. It broke below the previous 4 hour candle. Let's just hold over here. Okay. So basically it just closed huge, strong, bearish candle, and the current 4 hour candle is also moving up, maybe to grab some liquidity, and then it will reverse back from here. So that can be the case. So basically if we look over here, then this is our support area, and it can surpass this support area with volume and fill the wick. So 4 hour is also bearish for me, and if you look at the 1 hour, then 1 hour looks quite interesting. Why 1 hour looks interesting? It's because below this area, so now below this area we have a clean candle or clean range to go, and I'm gonna refine this area by going into the 30-minute time frame as well. So right now below 1.33706 there can be good sales over here. And if it I'm not gonna talk about bias right now because the bias is totally bearish. So if we look at the 30 minutes over here, then 30-minute looks quite interesting right now. So basically there is consolidation happening, and this candle closed above this area, right? So now the current 30-minute candle can move up, but there is a problem over here on the left as well, and market can possibly reject this area and move down from there. So I have to look in the 15 minutes now. Okay, so basically now the current 15-minute, if the current 15-minute candle break up at the high of the previous one, that means it can go up to fill the wick, which is around 17 pips of ranges there. but I'm really not sure about the buys uh, over here. I'm not very sure about buy thing. Why there is this? Okay. Hmm. So I'm not sure about buy, but yes, I'm sure about sells. Hmm. So basically there was a resistance over here. There is a support down over here. Actually, this support I'm gonna mark over here. Hmm. Now it looks good. So below this area we have a clean range of about you know, if we look at the wicks, then we have a range of about 20 pips, 25 pips at least. And if you look at this scenario over here, then I really don't know whether I want to buy above this wick or not, because the thing is, I think the market can possibly move up till these wicks over here, and the range is not enough. It's just 10 pips. Although we have this clean candle, but not sure. Hmm. Let me just remove this. So let's see what happens. Okay, so if I look at the 15 minutes, then 15 minutes consolidation, movement to the upside, bearish momentum, then it should break the high to continue moving up. We will see. Because market is just not looking good over here, because I really think Forex will be flipping back down. Why there is so much of it? Okay, this area, I don't want to look at this area in the 15, 30. I think 15 is good. Hmm. Okay, 15 is perfect. Let's go to the 4-hour again. Now, why this area? Okay. 15. Yeah, now it looks good. Looks like it will be moving up. Okay, I'm gonna look at that later. So okay. Okay, fine. So basically, I really think that the 4-hour candle will be reversing back down from here. So if that will be the case, then there is no point of taking buys, because I'm gonna stick to the higher time frame analysis, not the lower time frame, because lower time frame can give me false signals as compared to the high time frames. So that's why I'm just waiting for GU to reverse back from this point. Okay, so this was all about GBP, GBP GPY, and let's move to the gold. Oh, gold is making some moves today. So if we look at the gold over here, then let's move to the monthly first. Okay, so basically if we talk about monthly over here, then the monthly time frame is now getting back inside the rejection area from the left, right? So it's leaving a huge rejection wick to the upside. So for me, it's like a temporary bearish momentum happening over here. And if we look at the weekly is also rejecting all the higher prices over here. So it went up to this level, now it's rejecting those prices. Now it's getting back inside this level over here. So possibility is the way it's rejecting right now, it can reverse back from here and go down from this point. But we need some confirmations, right? So basically daily is not looking very nice. It's just consolidating. Daily is just consolidating in gold. So if it goes down, then it will be filling this wick, or if it goes up, then it has to break its own high to move up. So right now it's not down, it's not up, nothing. So if we okay, so if we look at the 4-hour over here, then let me just zoom in a little bit. So if we look at the 4-hour over here, then there is a resistance over here, right? Then we have market came down all the way, and then we have another form of resistance over here. Now the market is moving down to fill this wick, but if you look at the left, then we have strong support down over here. So market can possibly move down to this level. So that means gold is bearish over here, and this is 100 pips of range we are talking about. So gold can move down to this area. Yes, I really think that's gonna happen in the next 2 hours, or maybe in the next 4-hour candle. So for me, gold is bearish. Oh, nice. So this is the 1-hour candle over here. Nice. So basically 1-hour candle can go down to till this area. 1 hour. Oh, perfect. So I'm gonna go to the 1 minute. Let's see if we get a chance over here. So there was a movement to the downside, then we have a movement to the upside. Low over here, so it can go down, move up, then go down. Let's see. So by looking at the 1 hour, I think it will flip back down to fill the wick of the previous one and finally go down to this place. So let's just quickly mark a area of support as well over here, which it got broken. Yeah, nice. So after the 1 hour, I want this area to be visible in the 1 hour only. So after the 1 hour, let's move to the 30 minutes over here. 30 minute. So 30-minute time frame is quite clean at this point. So I'm going to quickly mark my area of. So this was a support, it just got broken. The next 30-minute candle just broke the low, continue moving down. Now the current 30-minute candle is going up to grab the liquidity. So by grabbing the liquidity, it will be going down to fill the wick of the previous one, and finally it will reach this area over here. Yeah, so now things are getting clear. So if we look at the 1 minute, then now we have to find some things in 1 minute. So before the momentum comes into the market, this was the area which can be considered as a POI. So that means we are talking about this wick over here. Oh, so basically the market can move up into this wick and then can reject this area to continue moving down. So if that's the case, then oh, the stops are really big. Stops are really big, plus the market is above 20 period moving average. What the fuck? GBP USD just went down. Oh, nice. Nice. So GBP USD just went down from the same thing, same price I was expecting it to. See, that's why marking the areas of rejections are really important. So, and also GBP JPY is also moving down from this price over here. Okay, so I'm not gonna take any trade for now in gold because it's above the 20 period moving average in 1 minute. So I'm gonna wait for the market to come back down below the 20 period moving average. And if I talk about sorry, GBP JPY, then let's have a look. So GBP JPY, yes, we were expecting it to move down from this point. So that means we need to find out a better clean range in GBP JPY. So this was a POI, this was the candle over here. Nice. So basically this is a POI over here. Let me just go to 30 minutes. 30 minute looks good. This is 15 minutes. Basically market is creating higher highs and higher lows, and it's creating supports, right? So we need market to create some resistances so that we can take a sell trade. I really wanted to take this trade over here from this point only, when this candle just tapped this POI. But the thing is, this won't be giving me a quality signal because the market can move up directly and can continue to move up by creating another support. So I'm expecting the market to go down from here. So if that happens, like look at this, now it's moving up, right? So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for the market to break below this area, this POI. So once that happens, I'm gonna look at some entries over here. Oh, GBP/USD also flipped up. Look here, that was a nice decision to not take this trade over here. So basically it's just that we have to wait a lot before taking a trade, because if you enter a trade without any reason or without any confirmations, you will end up losing, and you will end up losing always. See, it just broke the low. Look, it just broke the low. So somebody can say that this is a low created by the market. Now market went up, so the candle just broke the low of the previous one. Now it will be moving down from here, right? So anyone can say that, but the thing is, we don't know. We have to get the most information after the market, even though you take only one trade, but that one trade should be a really accurate trade. Look, the market is coming, I think, rejecting that area. Yes, so the market is rejecting this area over here. So for me, this was a POI, right? Or you can say that this is a POI over here. So from here, if the market goes down and break below this price, that will be the point you can take the trade. You can take the trade when the market will breaking down this price, because you have clean range to the left, and market has already, broke the low, then it went up, tested the POI, now it's coming down. So once it breaks its own low again, that means it will be going definitely down. So that's where you can take the trade. Oops. So I might try to take the trade over here, but let's see. Nothing in GU, nothing in gold. Yeah, 30-minute candle expecting to go down. Like over here, this was a POI. The market went up in this area and it went straight down. Oh fuck, this is around 100 pips of movement in the 1 minute. Extremely huge movements are happening in gold. That's why this stops is coming around to be above 10-11 pips. But anyways, let's see. Sorry. Let's see if the market goes up from here or if the market rejects these areas and go down from here. 30 seconds remaining for the current candle to close. We have some information available over here. Let's see if the market goes down below this area. So basically we have this clean range. So I'm gonna wait for the market to go below this POI over here. Sorry, go below this BOS. So I'm gonna mark this area, give it a name so that people can understand easily. So BOS means break of structure. So I want this structure to be broken. 20 is good. Visual order, bring to front. Look here, market is unable to break above this area. So I think it's a good chance over here that it will be moving down again. And 12 minutes left for the 30-minute candle to close. So if the 30-minute candle really wants to go down, then this is the time when it should be reversing back down from here, and we might see some big candles going down. If not, then obviously the next 30-minute candle can go up. So first of all, let's give market a time. Let's give market time to give us some best of the best information available so that we can take the trade without any stress. Look here, multiple rejections happening. Now let's see if market reverses back. Look, if I would have just took this trade over here, then the stops is around just 3 pips, 2.7 pips, and reward is around 12 pips. But the thing is, anything can happen in this place. It can just move up. Let's have a look at the news as well. 1 hour left, 1 hour 10 minutes left to for the news. Oh, it's about to break the high over here. So now if this candle closes above this POI, then that means market is getting ready to move up. Let's see how this 1 minute candle closes. GU also trying to move up. Let's have a look at the 1 minute. GBP, JPY is about to close above. GU just broke above this high over here. Let's see if the market goes all the way up to fill this clean candle. like this is around 21 pips of range, and this will be around 10 pips over here. Let's see if the market goes up to get 10 pips over here. I'm not in this trade, I'm just looking at the market. Oh, GJ also went up. Okay, so the 4-hour sorry, so the 4-hour candle is going up. Maybe it can break the high of the previous one. So if that will be the case, then I'm gonna look for buys. Look, GU is having some trouble over here. Having some issues. Still got 7 minutes to go. 7 minutes to go. Yeah, but I really don't think that it's going all the way up from here. So I'll give time to the market. You know, I might buy above this area over here. GBPUSD just went inside the POI over here. Let me just show you. So this is a POI. So if the market really wants to move up, then this is the point. But obviously if this candle closes below this POI, then that means market will be moving down now. Let's see. Oh yes. Yes, it just broke below. That means now it's getting ready to move down. Let's look at the 30 minutes. Yeah, look at this. 30 minute is reversing back. And same for GBP JPY. But the thing is, in GBP USD, we cannot take a sell trade in between this area. We have to wait for a candle to close with a 1.33651. So that's somewhere we have to wait. 4 hour, yeah. Gold just tapped inside this area. So let's see if it respects this POI and moves down from here. Because if it really starts to move down from here, then it's gonna just move around 100 pips to the downside. This candle just went all the way up till this point. Stops could be 7 pips. I really think, and it just came down from that point, around 16 pips down from that point. Yeah, so I think now, okay, so this candle, this 30-minute candle is about to close in 4 minutes. So that means the next 30-minute candle can wake up as well and can move down from that level. Let's see how this 30-minute candle will be closing. Oh, this could be really a nice trade over here. So nothing in GBP JPY, nothing in GBP USD, and in gold nothing for next 4 minutes. $15 Oh nice, 15 minutes is trying to push up in this area. You know, if the stops wasn't really this big, then I would have definitely took this trade. If market goes up to this level again, six 5.36 pips. Because I really think 4-hour candle will be moving down. The 1-hour candle will also be moving down. Let's see how 15-minute candle will be closing over here. It's about to close in few seconds. Look here, it just broke the high and it's coming down. So this is a nice information about the market that it can now move down. So basically, now I'm gonna wait for the market to give me another chance. I could have definitely took this trade over here on the top, but it's just that the market is going up and I'm taking sells, plus that sells is above the 20 period moving average, so that doesn't make any sense. So I'll wait for the market to go back down below the 20 period moving average, and then I'm gonna try to take a sell. Not right now, because if I took over here as well, the stops is around 6 or 7 pips. I don't mind risking 6-7 pips over here. It's just that I don't feel like risking those pips above the 20 period moving average. Look over here. The market is above 20 period moving average, and we all know that the market's gonna go down to the 20 and then it'll be going away from the 20, and this thing goes on and on. So nothing. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. But obviously this is a very very strong area of support, resistance over here. Very strong area. Look here, the market is now moving down. Okay. Okay guys, I'll be right back. Because just the trend, overall trend is sells over here. It's just that this is 1 minute time frame over here, so it looks really bullish right now. But the main thing is that the market structure, it's bearish. In gold, it can move up, but over in GBP JPY and GBP USD, it's totally bearish. And the reason why I was looking for sells over here is because look, we have this clean range, right? The market broke below this area, then this candle just broke below the low and it went all the way down, created a huge wick, right? And then we have a previous 30-minute candle closed bullish, but it closed below this wick. That means and that's inside bar, so that means we can expect the market to move down again to fill this wick over here. but if it doesn't, then it's absolutely fine. I'm gonna look for buyers above this area. We going War going on. Everyone keeps buying gold. 4-hour bullish flip coming. Yes, but I was looking for a scalp trade, buddy. So no issues in that. When the market will be going up, I'm gonna buy. But the structure was bearish, so I was looking for sales. Also, the 4-hour structure is also was also bearish over here. Went down, created another resistance over here. So when there is another resistance forming up, then we look for sales. That's why. Also, there is a wick to fill up, so I was expecting the market to move down to fill this wick. Let's see if it starts to move up, then I'm gonna obviously look for buys. So guys, this POI is now invalid over here, and yeah. So let's see if the market just flips back down or moves up from here. Because the thing is, from this point of view, market just went down, created a low, right? So there's a possibility that it will go down to test this low over here, and then it will move further down to the support level. So let's see. So 19 minutes left for the 30-minute candle to close. Let's see if this is the rejection. If this is the rejection for the market to come down, or whether it will be flipping up to break its own high to continue moving up. Basically, right now the market is really at a confusing point. The reason is, for on my personal opinion is that market is rejecting the support or the resistance from the earlier level, which is this point, and now it will be going down to fill this clean candle, fill this wick, and finally this area. So let's see what happens. So let's see what happens. Coming down. So let's see if we get a breakout of the structure or not. Once we get a breakout of the structure, I'm gonna wait for the 20 period moving average to be to be bearish as well. Then I will wait for some BOS to be broken, and then we'll follow the procedure. So from here market can go up, but from here the market can break out the structure and then reverse back a little bit and then move down. Let's see. Also, Jasveer, there's an advice for you, buddy. If the market comes back to your entry point, just make sure that you close your position, because at that point it will be moving down with volume all the way down. So that's just an advice from me to you. Oh, it just broke the structure over here. Let's see if it stabilizes itself below that structure or not. Because the thing is, now from here, this is the POS, right? So from here the market can move all the way up, or the market can move all the way down. Oh, so basically you were trading counter trend. Nice. Also, guys, if you are taking trades, and also send the charts over here as well, why you took the trade, what was the analysis overall, so that all the other peoples can see your analysis. Like, you were trading counter trend, right? The market was moving down, but you took the buy and you hit your profits. That's really nice. I'm really happy for you. But also send your charts on the chat so that everybody else can learn from your analysis as well. Because there are few people who will also like to trade counter trends. I really don't trade counter trends. Sometimes I do, but most of the times I don't. So maybe you can help other peoples as well. Look here, the market respected the POI and it's moving up. Let's see if it goes up to test this high over here. 16. Nothing in GU, nothing in GJ. And also, there's a video I have uploaded on YouTube. Let me just give you the link as well. This one over here. Cancel. Copy the link. I'm gonna drop the link on the chat over here. So this is the video of how POI strategy works. So in this video I have taught how I use POI strategy and how you can also use the POI strategy as well to minimize your stop loss. So I hope this video will help the people who want to really reduce their stop loss values. So 12 minutes left for the 1 hour candle to close. I really think that this candle will be also closing bullish and the next 1 hour candle might just wake up and break the low to continue moving down. I really think that gold will be moving down. GU coming down, GJ nothing. Oh, okay. You know, let me just remove this. You know what? If this 30-minute candle closes exactly like this, then the next 30-minute candle can wake up, break the low, and continue moving down. Yeah, that's a really nice setup to be. Oops, what just happened? Okay. So if we are expecting that thing to happen, that means 12 more minutes we have to wait. So we might face some consolidation in the next 12 minutes and 1 minute time frame. So let's wait for this candle to close over here. Okay, finally, gold dropping. Gold is now dropping. Nice. Yeah, I really think it's gonna move really down from here. So basically, this was the POI, and this is the POI over here. This was the BOS. Look at the momentum in gold. Oh, GU just went up. Nice. So this candle will be closing in 8 minutes. So let's see if we get a chance to take trade above this candle or not. So this 30-minute candle just broke the low of the previous one. Now it will be coming down to fill the wick as I was saying, and yeah, the next 30-minute candle can wake up and go down from here. Yes. So this candle just closed below this area. So look, this 30-minute candle just broke above the high of the of on the left. Now 3 minutes left for the current candle to close, right? So we cannot take the trade in the last 3 minutes. So I have to wait for the current candle to close first, and then on the next candle to take the trade. So basically, what I can do over here is, I think I can wait for a candle to get inside somewhere around here and then take the trade, because I can expect the next candle to wick down somewhere around over here and then go up. But for that I need this candle over here to close above. 4R also broke the high. Let's get ready, guys, for GBP JPY trade. Last 2 minutes remaining over here. I'm just gonna wait for this candle to close. Because I think the next candle will wick down and go up. Let's move to 1 minute. So the 30-minute candle just closed over here. Okay, everybody, so I'm gonna enter a gold trade if the price reaches back to this area, keeping my stops above this candle's high and TP down over here. So let's see if it goes back or if it just continues to move down. Okay, now I think GBP USD will be moving up from here, I think. Let's see. Gold is moving up. Let's see if we get something. Come on. Trade running in 6 pips over here, 7 pips, 8 pips. Let's see if it continues to move down or goes up again. So if it goes back to break even, I'm gonna close half. It's 14, 15 pips is running over here. Nice. Look. Trade running right now. Actually, I have closed half over here at 14 pips, keeping my stops at break even, actually above the wick of the previous candle, right over here. So if it continues to move down, then I'm gonna target this full range over here, 40 pips. Actually, maybe more than that, because the trend is really bearish over here, and now the 1 hour candle will be moving all the way down to this area over here. So my trade is running in 20 pips. But if it goes back to the break-even point, then it's all right, absolutely fine for me. Because my analysis says that this will be moving all the way down to this level, but if it doesn't work, then it is what it is. I really cannot do anything in that case. But there is momentum in the market, so oh nice, it's running in 30 pips, 27, 28. Nice, nice. Look over here, running in 27, 28 pips, 30 pips. So once it taps this area, I'm gonna close everything. 30 pips running at this point. So my TP is 1887.987, 1887.987. 1887. Yeah, down over here. 35 pips running up right now. So basically, I'm targeting 76 pips in this trade. You know what? I think I should close another half. So I have closed another half over here just to secure some profits. So now I'm gonna keep my stops at break even. Now I'm gonna target at least 100 pips in this trade. So if it now goes back to break even, closes my trade, it's alright. I have made the money for today. But yes, if it continues to move down, then it would be a really nice trade. And right now 40 minutes remaining, and I think there can be volume coming in and take the price down. Oh, it's moving up. Moving up. Come on, man. It just... Oh, it's about to hit the break even, guys. It didn't hit the break even yet. Still running in 12-13 pips. It's just that we need some volume over here. Once the volume comes in, it will be going down, but it's going up. I think it will be hitting the break even soon. Okay, running in 21 pips again. Nice. Let's have a look over here. Oh, nice. Now I think now it might just move all the way down from here. And let's have a look at the 4-hour as well. Oh, 4-hour will be also stretching down from here. Daily, yes, daily will be also going down. I think, yes, I can wait over here. Come on, gold, you were moving like a rocket, but when I took the trade, you just stopped. Why? Oh, it's again moving up. Seven minutes left for 30-minute candle to close. Let's hope to get a nice bearish move now in this trade. Initial, how are you, buddy? Long time. So this strategy, this trade was based on the POI strategy, the video I have uploaded today on the YouTube. What strategy are you using these days? Buddy, I'm using that old strategy as well, with this new strategy over here. The link is posted on the Discord. So I have given this strategy for free. So you can go through the video, and that video also uploaded on the YouTube channel, so you can check that out. Guys, I really think now gold will be moving down from here. Let's see. Come on, come on, come on. If not, then this will be the point from where the gold will be moving up. Let's hope to get a good bearish move. I'll definitely check that out. Oh, sure. Oh, it's going up. I think now it will hit the break even. Yeah, it hit the break even now. Three minutes remaining for the current candle to close. Okay guys, so over here this candle is about to close like a weak bearish, and I'm expecting the next 30-minute candle now, I think. You know, gold can come down from this point as well. But I'm gonna wait for this 15-minute candle to close. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so news has came in. Oh, look here, gold dropping, dropping again. GJ looks good. GU nothing. Gold, basically what happened? Okay, USD came out to be better. Okay. Okay, let's have a look at GBP So the previous 30-minute candle closed above this area. So let's see if the current 30-minute candle flips back up or not. GBP USD, let's have a look at that. So it broke this POI over here. Momentum is missing. So what if this candle breaks its own high again? Then it can move up to fill this wick, then this area, but let's see if gold taps this POI or not. Stops will also be not that big. It just broke the low of the 15-minute candle. Now it will be moving definitely down. Just close below this area. This becomes the POI over here. The analysis was correct, it's just that the gold made some bad moves which took me out of the trade. Okay, let's now wait for opportunity to enter. Oh, GPJPY came all the way down. GBPUSD as well. Gold. Oh, come on, man. Just give me one opportunity. So it's not crossing above this area. Finally. Finally it did. Let's see if it goes in this area or not. Yeah, the stops will be 6 pips. So guys, I'm gonna enter this trade over here if the market reaches this area, keeping stops at 6 pips, target down over here. Let's see if we can get this trade. $15-minute candle is about to close over here. Okay, so the next candle can wick up and then go down. Let's hope that now this 15-minute candle will wick up till this area. And then it will reverse back from there. Come on, come on. Just missed with 1 pip only. Look, sometimes this kind of cases can also happen with everybody, right? But it's not necessary that you get up all the opportunities happening in the market, right? So just stick to your rules, wait for the market to come to your price, and then take the trade. Like right now, also, I know I have missed this trade. Now the market can move all the way down, but I'm not entering over here. Not entering over here because the market can move up again and then it can move down from there as well. Oh, look over here. Come on, man. Now again I'm gonna mark the BOS over here. Look here. From here, the market came directly down like 27, 28 pips. Now, once the market crosses and closes down below this POS, this will become the POI. This will be a big candle going down. You know, this kind of moves you will get every day in the market. Every day. It's just that you have to wait, you have to mark some places. Sometimes you will be able to get that trade, sometimes you won't be able to get that trade. If I would have just got this trade over here, then this would be around 40 pips on my full lot. The benefit of these kind of a trades is you are entering these trades on the top. That's the main benefit. So you are entering over here, so you have no fear of closing the trade early or something like that. You can hold the trades for much longer time, and also with big lots, you can hold those trades, right? So yeah, let's see now. Okay, so now this area becomes the POS. Gonna remove this. Now the stops can be bigger comparatively. Yeah, the stops now will be bigger. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. Oh, it's about to close in 9 minutes and will be closing back down under this area. Okay, let's have a look at the gold higher time frames also, because I also want to know where the market's gonna head towards. Okay, so basically what's happening over here is in 8 minutes, 4 hour candle of gold will be closing, right? So if this candle closes below these wicks or bodies over here, then the next 4 hour candle will wake up and break the low and continue moving down to fill the wick. So that means we still have around 90 to 100 pips of room for gold to move. So that's a really nice thing. So let's see where this 4 hour candle will be closing. Everything depends upon that. Oh man, now I'm really regretting not taking this trade over here. Anyways, You know, if the market just went down from this point, right now it would have been around 71, 72 pips. Oh, it's again dropping. Gold doesn't know where to stop. Okay, below this we have this range over here, wicks over here. So basically, now this is the point from where gold can basically go up. So this is the point from where the gold can go up from. Let's have a look at the weekly. Oh, basically weekly is coming down. Let's see. According to me, gold is bearish. I think GBP USD will try to push all the way down now. Okay, so let's wait for the market to come to our price. So 4-hour candle is about to close in 3 minutes. And the next 4-hour candle can wick up. So that means we can expect some retracement over here. Yes. I'm just staying out of the market for the next 3 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes is also moving up. Let's see the 4-hour. Yeah, 4-hour. Let's see. Now it's time. Now it's time to see whether this 4-hour candle will be closing above, like all these previous candles, or closing below. GBP, JPY doing nothing right now. Oh, GBP USD moved up. So basically now support is being formed. So the next 4 hour candle can wick down and break the high to move up. Let's have a look at the 1 minute. So basically, if next the 4 hour candle can wick down till this area and then reject this area to move up. If GU really wants to move up, then but it really looks bearish to me. Okay, 4 hour is closing above. That means GBP, GPY will be moving up definitely. Hmm. So basically, it's like this now. Gold moving down again. Oh, look here. 4 hour candle just broke the low in the first few seconds. There will be extremely huge momentum, but it will be moving up again. If we look at GBP/JPY, then let's see if the market comes down to this area. So from here, market can reject and move back up. Yeah, I think yes, we can expect that much of retracement in the 4 hour. Daily, weekly. I mean, now daily looks bullish to me, no doubt in that. Okay, so look over here. Just hold on, everybody. Let me just. Pretty bad price action in GU and GJ. Basically, in gold, let's have a look at the 30 minutes. So 30-minute candle closed below this area, but the current 30-minute candle broke the low in the first few seconds, so it just went up. And if you look at the 15 minutes over here, then 15 minutes is rejecting this support area from here, so we can expect some retracement at this point. And the 4-hour candle closed below this area, that means it's gonna go down. It's just that we have to find out some good entry to take the trade. 15-minute candle is about to close over here. Oh, 15-minute candle just closed over here.